thank you for gathering here today. I stand before you not as a politician or an expert in political discourse, but as someone who believes in the power of community and compassion. Politics can often be overwhelming and divisive, and I understand that for many, it is simply not best cup of tea, and I am one of those. My passion lies in the complexities of humanities, not in the political debates, but in the simple act of helping others. I believe that true changes start in the grassroots. It starts with kindness, understanding, and the willingness to lend a hand to those people in need, especially for the less privileged of the society. Whether it is volunteering at a local shelter, supporting a neighbor, or advocating for a cause too close to our heart, we all have the ability to make a difference in our communities. Let us focus on what we unite, rather than what we divide us. We all share the same fundamental desire for a better world, where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Together, we can create a supportive environment that uplifts everyone, regardless of belief, regardless of race, regardless of religion, and of course, regardless of colors. So while politics may not be my forte, my commitment to helping others is unwavering. Let's work together not as a politician or a partisan, but as a human being who care about one another. I'm very to say that this coming 2025 election, Francis Leo Marcos will not enter any government position, or I will not take part of any election. Maraming salamat po sa maintindihan po na partido sa natin Pilipinas. Ngunit, ako po ay makikibahagi sa inyo, hindi bilang kandidato, kundi bilang membro at maasahan nyo na suporta ko. Ika ay hindi lamang po mula ulo hanggang paa, kundi mula pang-anis hanggang ulo. Susuporta ko kayo. And to all the people in here, the witnesses in here, thank you for gathering here today to celebrate my birthday. It warms my heart to see so many familiar faces, especially those who share passion for humanitarian work, the medical team of the Filipino Family Club, and the Marcos Foundation. Thank you. And of course, my own friend, Kuya Lepi and Ian, and Pink. Of course, this guy, they have been with me through the years, not only in the previous election, but through the year that I am incarcerated. Isa lang ako muna ko sa kulungan, sa loob ng 3 taon. Huwag ka magbibigay ng bigas pag may pandemic. Ako kulong ka talaga. In a world that often divided, our shared commitment to advocating for those in need is a powerful reminder of the impact we can have when we stand together. Your dedication, compassion to help the others, and tireless effort inspire me every day. And I hope we can continue to uplift and support one another in our endeavor. Again, what we have today, that is in the seeds of yesterday. And what we may become tomorrow, it is in the seeds of today. Let's continue to plant a good seeds in the heart of people so we can harvest and bring a new Filipino tomorrow. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy the night.
Christmas to